Kid Zone with Trishy. Total solar eclipse. I'm usually a sunny sort of star, but today I'm totally out of sorts. Tomorrow, during the eclipse of the sun, Earthlings are going to break my biggest rule. Don't look directly at me. Breaking this super-duper serious safety rule is enough to get my hydrogen gas sizzling. But that's not even all. One of my favorite friends is to blame. During the total solar eclipse, Moon will hide my light by playing a cosmic game of peekaboo. Moon totally knows how to get in the way. First, Moon will change my shape for hours during the day. Shadows will start to look strange. Then there will be an odd glow and a sunset from every direction. It will look like I disappeared. Yikes! I love being the center of our solar system. Earthlings say I'm especially good at my extra important job. Uh-oh, will Earthlings think less of me when my light goes out in the daytime? I need to learn more. I know who to ask. Dear Earth, I have a friend who is a teensy tiny bit worried about the solar eclipse tomorrow. Will Earthlings get hurt? What do you know about this total eclipse of me? Warmly, Sun. Earth sent a speedy reply. My forgetful son, as I always say, my Earthlings know your safety rule and will protect their eyes when they look to the skies. Your friend should write to Moon. Gratefully yours, Earth. Ugh! I really don't want to speak to that self-centered satellite right now. But I guess one short note won't hurt. Moon, why are you hiding my light tomorrow? You're not jealous, friend. Sun. To my surprise, I heard back quickly. Hi, Sun. I've been expecting your letter. As I always say, Earthlings will think we're both totally stellar. Try to chill and look forward to a spectacular show. See you around, Moon. Chill? What a laugh. I'm always scorching hot. Moon is obviously jealous because I'm the star around here. Oh no, I've barely had time to rise and shine, and Moon is already moving in. Millions of Earthlings are staring directly into my intense light. Why aren't they getting hurt? What are those glasses everyone is wearing? This is all very strange. It's not exactly bad. It even looks a little fun. I still have a serious sinking feeling about what's coming next. You're really crowding me. Do you have to be so close? This is actually happening. Totality. I can't look. Sun's disk is totally gone. Eclipse glasses may come off. I can't believe what I'm hearing. Earthlings love me in the dark. In the full shadow of moon during totality, they see my solar corona. I'm shining in a totally different way. I need to see this for myself. I'll take one tiny peek. Wow! Our diamond ring trick is neat. Very first hint of sun's disk. Eclipse glasses back on. Earth was right. Earthlings didn't get hurt. Moon was right too. We were both stars today. There's just one thing left to do. Dear Moon, together we shine. See you tonight, your friend always, Sun. The end.